Hey everyone, welcome back to another video where I show you how to make money online. Today's video is a lot of fun because I'm going to show you how you can start a business for just $5 per day. A lot of people say you need thousands of dollars. I'm here to say this isn't true. The $5 a day model is pretty popular and pretty simple. If you spend a ton of money out of the gate, then a lot of times if you make mistakes, you've lost a lot of money, which leads to losing motivation and self-belief. This is the easiest way to crash your business. So if you start with a small budget, say $5 a day, you will be better able to overcome obstacles and mistakes, setting yourself up for success with your online business. Now let's apply the $5 a day method to affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you are simply acting as a bridge between companies who want to sell products and customers they want to sell products to. Basically, you're sending traffic to the company that you're an affiliate of. When people make purchases through you, the company sends you a commission. This business model is actually more important than you think. Most YouTubers and online news outlets use this method to generate revenue for their businesses. What's great about affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create products, handle any shipping or fulfillment, or deal with customer service. In many instances, you don't even need a website. For beginners, this is the ideal method to get started when you're considering starting a business online. The question is, how do you find companies to work with? The easiest way is by using affiliate networks like ClickBank, JVZoo, and DigiStores24. These sites act as marketplaces for businesses to connect with affiliate marketers. They remove a lot of the friction and make starting an affiliate business really simple. Today I'm going to show you ClickBank as an example. When you log onto the ClickBank website, simply create a free account. Once you're in, click on the shop icon to access their marketplace. This marketplace is filled with products that you can promote and earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase. Products are already created, so you don't need to create any on your own. They already have high converting website, so you don't need to build a website of your own. Now there's a few ways to find offers to promote. One method is using a category menu on the left of your screen. It looks something like this. In my experience, top performing niches or categories are related to health, wealth, and relationships. For example, you could select e-marketing and find an offer that interests you there. Or you could go to health and fitness and find a weight loss course. The other way is to find offers using the search bar at the top. Simply type in something you're interested in and look through the results. Let's say, for example, that your affiliate marketing is designed to help other affiliate marketers succeed. Simply search affiliate marketing and start browsing the results. Personally, I like to filter my results by gravity, which is just an indication of how many times a particular offer has converted from other affiliates in the past week. Anything above 20 is something I'll consider. So for example, let's look at the 12-minute affiliate system. It has a gravity of 118 and the average conversion value of $173.93. As a quick disclaimer, these numbers are subject to change. In fact, this offer may not exist when you see this video. It is important to learn to find your own offers. That way you adapt your business accordingly. If this offer was interesting to you, I'd first recommend that you click on the title of the offer and browse the sales page. This is the page that you're going to direct traffic to, and you want to make sure that the product is trustworthy, legit, and within your desired niche. This particular sales page is great. It's got testimonials, high quality images, a money back guarantee, and tons of benefits listed throughout. I like what I see. If you think this offer is cool and something you'd like to promote, go ahead and click on the like button for me. Now that we've done a bit of research, let's hit the promote button. After typing a nickname, choose whatever you want. ClickBank will generate what is called a hop link. Now this link is important. Every time someone clicks on this and makes a purchase, you get a commission. Don't need to do anything beyond that. The commission comes straight to your account. Don't need to handle the shipping, the customer service, or even returns. The person who created the product handles all of that. So you can see why this is a great option for people just getting started. All you need to do is focus on generating traffic to that link and your job is done. Now that we've found an offer, it's time to get eyeballs on it. This means we need a traffic source. Though there are many traffic sources, we're going to talk about Facebook today. One of the things that you can use is the lead generation ad type. It will run like a normal Facebook ad, but will allow you to collect email addresses, after which customers will be directed right to your affiliate offer. This is incredibly powerful because you don't need a website. You're building your email plus generating traffic that is sent right over to your affiliate products. The beautiful thing about Facebook ads is that you don't need a lot of money to get started. You could start with as little as $3 or $5 a day for your ad budget. You'll just go to business.facebook.com, sign up for a free account, then head to the Ads Manager and start creating the ad. You'll want to select lead generation as the campaign type. Then choose your audience and budget and load up your lead magnet that you created. Now, will $5 per day generate millions of dollars in sales? No, probably not. But it does enable you to get traffic to your offer and leads in your business, which you can then retarget and remarket to. Also, if a Facebook ad is doing really well, you can increase your daily budget and increase your results. You have the flexibility to spend whatever you want. In order to really make this work, you need one more thing, a lead magnet. The lead magnet is something that you'll give away for free in exchange for an email address. Unfortunately, people just aren't interested in giving up their email address without an incentive. So, all you've got to do is go to a site like Fiverr or Upwork and have someone build your lead magnet. With our example, promoting an affiliate marketing system, we could create an affiliate marketing guide that includes 5 or 6 strategies to successfully starting an affiliate marketing business. Once you've got your lead magnet created, it is time to run some of those lead gen ads on Facebook that we talked about before. Now, If you're just getting started with affiliate marketing, you need a plan. This plan will help you avoid and overcome the pitfalls and failures that happen when starting a business. This is really why I started this YouTube channel, to provide you with free content that will help you succeed. By subscribing to the channel, you can make sure you get access to new videos as soon as they are released. One of the most helpful things for me as I started my business was signing up for the right training programs and courses. There's a lot of them out there, but one has helped me far more than any others, and that's the Partner with Anthony. Anthony Morrison created this course to help beginners start their business on the right foot. A huge part of this course is getting access to high-ticket, high-quality products that are part of an ecosystem. You'll receive done-for-you sales funnels and email marketing sequences and step-by-step training that walks you through every detail. If you click on my description, you'll be taken to a free training that explains more about this program. Go ahead and check it out today and learn how to build your business the right way. As always, thanks for watching today's video. If you haven't already, hit the like button and let me know your thoughts and comments. I'll see you next time.